Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks today. I'm in my local flavor kitchen and it is soup weather, so let's make some soup. Today we're gonna make one of my family's favorite soups, taco soup. There's a lot of different ways to make taco soup. I am gonna make mine a little bit different than I usually do. I'm gonna roast a poblano pepper and put it into my soup this time. I think this will be really good. So let's go roast this poblano pepper. All you're gonna do is just put it right here on your stove, just right on the fire, and just roast that sucker up. There you have it, a fire roasted poblano. Now we're gonna chop it up. Sometimes I get the fire roasted tomatoes, but I thought I would go ahead and just use this and chop it up because I have become quite a fan of poblano pepper. Not too spicy, but gives it really good flavor. And yes, I did wash this pepper off. We're just gonna use ground beef. I'm gonna use ground sirloin just because it's not as greasy. If you wanna use it ground chuck, that is great too. Take my little mix and chop this up, and I'm gonna put my poblanos in there. If you wanna add onion, you can, but I went ahead and just bought some tomatoes with the onion already in it. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna add a package of taco seasoning. I'm gonna use the Kinder's taco seasoning, actually Kinder's Mexican seasoning. So I'm gonna use a package of this. I love Kinder's, all of their stuff is so good. So we're gonna go ahead and add this package. It kind of has a smoky smell to it, so I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Now I'm gonna add one package of Hidden Valley Ranch dry dressing seasoning. If you're feeding well, that didn't work. If you're feeding a big crowd, you'll want to double this recipe. I have a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, the bigger can, or 2 cans of the small ones. I have 1 can of the diced tomato with sweet onion in it. 1 can of black beans, which I'm going to drain these and rinse them, and a can of Rotelle. I went ahead and got the one with the lime and the cilantro in it just to make it more Mexican-y. Open these up. I'm gonna go drain these and rinse them. All right, let's start adding tomatoes, Rotelle, do our crushed tomatoes. Now I'm gonna fill this up with water. Pour that in. Give it a good stir. Now I'm gonna add my black beans. And now I'm gonna add 2 cups of frozen corn, which is probably about a small package of frozen corn. You guys, look at that. Holy moly, that looks good. All right, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn it down really low. We're gonna let it simmer for 30 minutes or so, and just until it's all good and mixed together. It's gonna be so good. There we go. Now I'm gonna get some toppings ready. I have some shredded cheese, diced onion, some sour cream, and I found a can of black olives, and I'm gonna give them a chop. All right, I better check the date on these. Been in there for a while. 9/20. Is that a 3 or a 5? I think it's a 5. I think we're good. I know it's November, but we're okay. Tastes okay. I'm sure I've ate way worse. One time I was helping my dad clean out his cabinets and he had cans in there from like 1996. I ain't lying. Give these a little chop. So we have all of our little toppings here. You could also chop up a little fresh cilantro. That might be good on top, but I just don't have any. And now I'm gonna check my soup. Look at that. So the longer that it cooks, of course, the better it's gonna be, and it's even better the next day. But let's go ahead and give it a try. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna make us a little bowl here, show you how we make ours. We like to start off with some Fritos in the bottom of our bowl, like that. my gosh, that looks so good. I like some fresh chopped onion on mine. Gonna do a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna do a few of these black olives. You don't have to do black olives. I just saw them in the cabinet and thought, that might be good. Some sour cream right on top, just like that. Easy peasy supper. Look at that. Mmm, so good. Oh yeah, that's delicious. What a great supper on a fall day. Holy moly, that's good. Go make this, it's so easy. And remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.